Hi, in this video you will see difference between iPhone XR and iPhone 11. There are the fronts, there backside. These are different colors. Top sides has nothing. Both phones are the same size and same design. Both weigh 149 grams. Its display is HD high resolution. They are the RAM info. Their performance speed ratio. Back camera specs. Their front camera specs. Both are wireless charging enabled. Their battery life. Their prices in dollars. Their back camera, rear camera results. Camera results in night mode. And the front camera result.